indirectly a device number. Here the different numbers are moved to their addresses, okay, and this address will convert this value to movable a different device number, okay. So here I'm going to increase the Z0 and this Z0, so here makes I'm going to increase from 0 to 1. And today we are going to discuss what is index register and what is the use of index register in a program. In a program, when you want to assign a device a number, but this device number is assigned indirectly, you don't want to disclose the device number. So here you can use index register. Like the device which is used to given in program, you have to specify indirectly. So index register will add a number in that device number, and the both device number and index register will make a different device number, okay, and that device number is indirectly used in a program. See here the example D0 Z0. This means the D0 value, whenever the D0 value increase to 0, 1, 2, 3 and more, this will add to the value of Z0, and the value of Z0, example, the value of Z0 is 1 and the value of D0 is 1, then the device number is 2, okay, and that device number 2 means D2, okay. So we will do it in our program and see how it works. Friends, I have made a small program. In this, the index register works to assign the different number to indirectly a device number. Here, the different numbers are moved to their addresses, okay, and this address will convert this value to movable a different device number, okay. So here I'm going to increase the Z0 and this Z0 makes a different device number when add to D199, okay. So here I'm going to increase from 0 to 1, and the D199Z0 converts to D200, and the value of D200 is 10, which moves to D300. Again, I am increasing the value of Z0, and in this case, the value of Z0 is 2, which makes D199 what? D201, and the value of D201 is 20, okay, which moves to D300. Because we have made a small logic here, we have made a instruction to convert this value from a device number indirectly to other device, okay. So here these are different device numbers which moves their value to D300 indirectly. So friends, I hope you understand how it works, and if you want to learn more logics